Welcome to the video. Today we will be looking into the solution for the 1929A code problem on codeforces website. So the question for the problem goes something like this. So Sasha has decided to give his girlfriend an array ranging from A1 to AN, and he found out that his girlfriend evaluates the beauty of the array as the sum of the values ai minus ai minus 1, that is the current value minus the previous value for all integers except for the first one. Okay, so the sum of all the differences is the beauty of the array. So we have to help Sasha to find out the maximum possible beauty of the array, given that he can rearrange the elements of the array in any order he likes. Okay, so we'll be given the number of test cases, and for each test case we'll be given a list of elements ranging from 1 to 10 to the power 9, right? Okay, the number of test cases can vary from 1 to 500, and each test case can have from 2 to 100 elements. Okay, so we have to find the maximum possible beauty of the given array, right? Let us deep dive. Let us take an example and try to deep dive and find out the logic to get the maximum possible beauty of the given array. I am taking this array as an example. Okay, so this is the same array as given in the question. So if we just follow the brute force method and try to get the sum of differences at each level of the array and make a sum of it as given in the question itself. So let us just say I'm not rearranging the array, I'm keeping it as is, and I'm trying to find the differences at each level of the array, and I'm trying to add that up and trying to see what is the beauty of the given array in the given position itself, right? So it becomes something like this. For the first element it will be 54 minus 100, right? And for the next element the difference will be 80 minus 54, and after that it will be 43 minus 80, and after that it will be 90 minus 43. Okay, if you think about it, this can be rearranged in this format, right? You can say minus 100 plus 54. You can say 54 minus 100 as minus 100 plus 54. Similarly, 80 minus 54 you can say it as minus 54 plus 80. Similarly, 43 minus 80 you can say it as minus 80 plus 43, and 90 minus 43 you can say minus 43 plus 90. What do we get by writing it in this form? You can see that plus 54 and minus 54 cancel out, plus 80 and minus 80 cancel out, plus 43 and minus 43 cancel out. So we are left with only the first and the very last element of the arrays, right? Okay, so we're essentially left with subtracting the first element from the last element. This is just another generalized version of the same equation. So the first difference will be a2 minus a1, after that it will be a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3, and a5 minus a4. Just rearranging we'll get this form. As you can see, a2's cancel out, a3's cancel out, a4's cancel out, and we'll only be left with the last element minus the first element. Okay, so this will form the beauty of the array. So you can say the beauty of the array is just subtracting the first element from the last element, right? We are to find the maximum of the beauty, maximum possible beauty of the array. So we are to find the maximum value of an minus a1, right? So what will be the maximum value of an minus a1? It will be maximum when you have the maximum possible value for the last element and the minimum possible value for the first element, right? So this will be maximum when you have a5 as the maximum element in the array and a1 as the minimum element in the array. So essentially we are to find the difference between the maximum element in the array and the minimum element in the array. That will form the maximum possible beauty of the given array elements. Okay, so I hope the logic is clear. Let us go to the approach. So this is the approach. We are just taking number of test cases. For each of the test cases, we are taking the length of the list and we are reading the list elements. After that, we are just getting the maximum element from the list and the minimum element from the list. We are just subtracting the minimum element from the maximum element. We are just outputting the difference. That should be the maximum possible beauty of the array. So just running the code. And yeah, it matches the given expected outputs. I'm just copying it and trying to submit. Okay, seems like okay. One line, two, and yeah, submit. Facing internet related issues. One line, two line, yeah, solution, submit, running test cases, and accept. Right, I hope the logic is clear, and as always, please try to come up with the logic by yourself. If you are not able to come up with the solution, then only try to go to the first part of the video and try to come up with the code by yourself. And if you are not able to come up with the code by yourself, then only come back to the second part of the video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video.